Hello, today we are going to talk about inserting AutoCAD files into Revit project. To do that, go to Insert ribbon. It is here, and you see you have two options: Link CAD and Link Import CAD. So in this case, I'm going to use Link CAD. In Link CAD, Revit keeps the link between AutoCAD file and the Revit file, but in import CAD, the total drawing will be inserted into Revit file. That's mean if you send our Revit file, in the file you will find your AutoCAD file. But when you link, you can't do that. We go to link here. It is good because it is consume less memory in your computer. Because of that, I'm going to use link CAD. Go to link CAD and find your AutoCAD drawing. Before you insert AutoCAD drawing, it is good to purge and clean your AutoCAD drawing. So I'm going to insert this AutoCAD drawing. I have few options to select. Color I will choose black and white. So if you like to have layer colors, you can select preserve and invert will be invert your colors. Layers, if you need to insert a specific layer, you can specify that, but in my case I will select all. Import units, if you know the AutoCAD units, you can select your units. I know it is inches, so you can choose auto detect. It will auto detect the unit of your AutoCAD drawing. I'll choose inches. And positioning, I'll choose origin to so I'm going to choose auto center to center. It will align AutoCAD drawing center to Revit view center. It is better because you don't want to search for your AutoCAD drawing. If you choose origin to origin, it will align AutoCAD origin into Revit origin. It is bit not recommended because sometimes AutoCAD drawings has origin in far away from your drawing. Because of that, place that you have to decide which level are you going to place this one. In my case, it is level 1. Here you can see. Then you can open it. Before that, you have another option called current view. In current view, it is the imported one. Insert link CAD file only visible in the selected view. In my case, I don't want to do that. Because of that, I'm keep it as it is. So I'll select FV1 and open it. So it is correct. After that, it is better to check whether the scale is correct or not. I'll just draw a dimension. It is, you can see it is correct. Okay, I'll delete this dimension. Okay, after that, how to manage your link? So go to manage ribbon. It is here, and go to manage links. Go to CAD formats. You can select your drawing, and you have few options here. You can unload your CAD file and reload it later. You can convert link CAD file into an imported CAD file here, and even you can remove it here. So it is better. These options are very useful when you are doing your project. It is easy to manage your project. If it is like heavy, you can unload your CAD file and reload later. Okay, and if you go to visibility graphics, you have another ribbon called imported category. If you go to there, you will see your AutoCAD file here. You can expand this one, then you will see layers. So if you need to see, if you remove your grid lines, you can remove by layers. So I'll select this grid ID. These 2 layers I am going to remove it. So then you will see the grid lines will disappear. Okay, or you can change even line weights. If I select, I will select walls. Yes, wall new one. You can override your line types here. You can decide whether it is a dash line or dot line. I choose this one, and you can choose your color. I will select visible color, good visible color, and you can select even line weights. Okay, then the selected layer will be overridden. You will see that. Okay, if I go to thin line option, you can see the line weight also applied into your layers. And another thing is, you can, if you select your CAD drawing, you have option called query. If you go to query, you will find the layer details. In here you can even hide your layer also. This is pretty useful also. That is all about inserting inserting CAD files or link CAD files. So imported CAD files are same as this one, but only difference is imported CAD file will be inside your project. Thank you very much for participating in this tutorial. Thank you.